Welcome to this tutorial, where I will guide you through the simple process of adding an external link to your VSCO profile. If you want to share your website, blog, or any other online presence with your followers on VSCO, this video will show you exactly how to do it in just a few easy actions. First, open the VSCO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom. Then, at the top of the profile page, tap the Edit option to access your profile settings. Then, scroll down to find the field labeled External Link. Here, you can type or paste the URL of the website or page you want to share with your audience. Make sure the link is correct and starts with HTTP or HTTPS for it to work properly. Finally, after entering your desired external link, look for the Save icon at the top right and tap it to save your changes. Your profile will now display the external link, allowing your visitors to click and visit the link directly from your VSCO page. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.